Pirates is a big team,
No.
but the biggest team,
The biggest one is Chiefs.
the biggest
It's
team
so
is
easy.
Chiefs.
Such an easy.
Pirates is a big team.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Amen.
I'm not disputing. I'm not. No. It's fine.
So sit down if you're not disputing.
It's fine.
Yeah.
We're not fighting. When
biggest team.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm not
and
disputing.
it's a huge-
I've never disputed.
Grade 4.
Okay.
All right.
Class is dismissed.
No. Class is not disputed.
It's dismissed.
No.
Pirates is a big team.
No, I'm not disputing.
That's why I will fight people if they disrespect me.
Yeah, no. Cool.
I fight.
Yeah.
You know PSG?
It's a huge.
Yeah.
Right, guys, welcome to Diski Diary. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Ikolos valiwe ngiphethe umshana wami uMarizi. We are sitting broadcasting from my bedroom. Right, guys, I'll be telling you all about Peter Shalulile's pending move to Orlando Pirates. Is that the biggest kept secret? We know that there are links linking him to a certain club in
uNjabulo Blom ngeke asayine kuStellenbosch FC njengoba bekunamahlebezi ekuqaleni futhi usaqhubeka nokuba ngumdlali wamahhala kulandela ukuhlukana kwakhe neqembu laseVietnam. Ngesikhathi esifanayo iStellenbosch FC iqhubekile nokuqinisa iqembu layo ngokusayinisa abadlali abasha abafana noThabiso Lebitso noSinoxolo Kwayiba ngaphambi kokuqala kwesizini entsha.
Alright, thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. As I've been saying, guys, Kaizer Chiefs are linked with an exit to Oxmthetwa, a contractor Kapela Lapayana Kaizer Chiefs, and he is linked with exit. And Kaizer Chiefs are set to sign the next Bambiza Moguti. He's the next Fetumba. They're comparing him to Roger Fetumba in terms of his style of play. I'm talking about Everson Chitambuza. Scotland chairman has confirmed talks between Kaizer Chiefs and Scotland FC. Scotland FC are due to compete with Kaizer Chiefs lapayana ku Toyota Cup. So this is the second midfielder that Kaizer Chiefs are linked with. However, for Everson Chitambuza, the Scotland FC chairman has confirmed that there are, as a matter of fact, talks that are happening between Kaizer Chiefs and Scotland for the midfielder. They compare him to Roger. He is left-footed. He is a defensive midfielder. He's got those long range passing and those long range shots. He can take them from distance, similar to Hlompo Kekane. So we'll see. Can't wait for the Toyota Cup so that we can see these players. They're comparing them to great players, but yeah, I can't wait to judge for myself. Bontle Molife is back. Kaizer Chiefs ibonile inikeza uTakalani Mazamba his debut, the last game of last season, and yeah, I think he did well. That is uTakalani breaking Itumeleng Khune's long-standing record for being the youngest goalkeeper to make debut for Kaizer Chiefs. Chadrick Morris Bafetu, as I've been telling you since December, he is leaving, and he is leaving for Durban City. So I was on point on that one. Yeah, guys, that is the latest regarding Morris. Mashiane has resurfaced at Stellenbosch. It looks like Bazosana Omashiane. You know, Ulokuzan Umtaka, he was there at Stellis. He's left Stellis and resurfaced at Amazulu. We know that Umtaka Umfanaga Atazwane. So Atazwane is signing his former development product. We saw he was famous for that ball boy incident, and the other one has gone to Chicago Fire. You know, if you know your football, drop your thoughts on comments. Who am I talking about? Drop the thoughts on comments. Right, guys, asihlaleni endabeni Peter Shalulile. Peter Shalulile, there are talks that he is set to sign for the Orlando Pirates. Yeah, so do you think it would be a good move for Orlando Pirates? Because by to evidence Makopa is being linked with Sporting CP Lapayana in Portugal. Yeah, so apparently Orlando Pirates want to replace evidence Makopa or Peter Shalulile. That would be a massive signing. I don't think both Mamelodi Sundowns and the Coast Nation will want to hear those news. Also, in terms of Orlando Pirates, Seth Green has joined Durban City, guys.
Subscribe.
All right, that is Marizi telling you to like and subscribe, guys. In terms of Ronaldo Lina, it looks like he won't be coming to Kaizer Chiefs. He is set to join Mamelodi Sundowns, having said his goodbyes to Isikhukhune. Ronaldo Lina is set to join Mamelodi Sundowns and not Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile, Kaizer Chiefs, I think they have enough goalkeepers. The goalkeepers from development, they are all coming back. There's still a question of Fiacre Ntwari, and there's also a question of Ubontle Molefe no Takalani Mazambe. So there's enough goalkeepers at Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think it would make sense for them to sign Ronaldo Lina while they're still giving their own. They need to give their own. Siabona Lapayana, let's congratulate Upeko Paho, the 20-year-old who's been promoted. He's following the likes of Abu Mabasa to the first team. Let's hope these boys will get an opportunity to showcase their talent. Right, Marang? Please tell them to like.
Subscribe.
Yes, please, guys. You heard it from Marang. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Now things have moved rather quickly for Ronaldo Lina following confirmation that he'd be leaving Babina Noko, that is Sekhukhune. As I said earlier, the club missing the deadline to trigger the option of his contract and allowing him to leave on a free transfer. Now, breaking news, Kaizer Chiefs have tabled a firm offer for Ronaldo Lina. It's up to the player now, personal terms, medicals, and all of that process to unfold. And it's looking likely then that would be a formality once Kaizer Chiefs have come into the picture. And there has been reports from some of my colleagues as well that Orlando Pirates have given up, have stopped their pursuit of the Bafana goalkeeper. So Kaizer Chiefs leading the race, as it were, to get Ronaldo Lina on a contract to Naturena, to join Brendan Peterson, to join Bruce Bavuma and Fiacre Ntwari as well. Interesting choices that Fernando Cruz will have should Lina go ahead and put pen to paper. That's a breaking news. Ronaldo Lina, fresh off leaving Sekhukhune United, has been offered a contract, but Kaizer Chiefs.
All right, that is Marizi telling you to like and subscribe, guys. In terms of Ronaldo Lina, it looks like he won't be coming to Kaizer Chiefs. He is set to join Mamelodi Sundowns, having said his goodbyes to Isikhukhune. Ronaldo Lina is set to join Mamelodi Sundowns and not Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile, Kaizer Chiefs, I think they have enough goalkeepers. The goalkeepers from development, they are all coming back. There's still a question of Fiacre Ntwari, and there's also a question of Ubontle Molefe no Takalani Mazambe. So there's enough goalkeepers at Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think it would make sense for them to sign Ronaldo Lina while they're still giving their own. They need to give their own. Siabona Lapayana, let's congratulate Upeko Paho, the 20-year-old who's been promoted. He's following the likes of Abu Mabasa to the first team. Let's hope these boys will get an opportunity to showcase their talent. Right, Marang? Please tell them to like.
Subscribe.
Yes, please, guys. You heard it from Marang. Please like and subscribe.